Hello guys, I have a Toyota Camry 2010 and the problem of this car is no start. You see that when I switch on, there's no check engine light here, and you get like this, there's no start. So let's find the problem of this car. I check first the 5 volts reference. So let's check first the 5 volts reference using this multimeter. Using this code, one here, and there's a 12 volts, and this next is a 5 volts line, and you see that there's no 5 volts. And let's check the fuse. Oh, look at this. This fuse is burning, and this, I think this is the problem. Let's change this first. The fuse. This fuse is came from, if I mean, it's 30 amperes, and look at that, it's burning. So let's remove this fuse and change first. You see that it's burning of the fuse. I think this is the cause. I remove. This fuse is come from if I mean. I think this problem. So when you see that the fuse is burning, this fuse came from AF Iman. I think there's a problem here inside the fuse box. And let's clean that fuse holder. Toyota Camry. But now I change first the fuse. This is the fuse, 30 amperes. That's the fuse. I change now. So guys, after replacing the fuse, let's check again if there's 5 volts here, this line. So just on the switch. Oh, look at that. The check engine light now is there's a check engine light now. Before the check engine light is off. It's not showing before. So let's check the 5 volts using this light, the negative, and this the positive. This two line is came from 5 line is 5 volts. So let's check. And look at that. Oh, and you see that there's a 5 volt now. And now it's good. The 5 volts now is showing. There's a two line here, under two wire. and now it's good. So now let's try to start the car. Let's start the car now. Let's start the car. So now start the car. It's good. Now is the car. The engine is running now. Yes. The only problem here is the fuse. So that's thanks guys. Thanks for watching.